Hi, good morning children. Today I am going to teach you about arithmetic progression. You know what is an arithmetic progression? It is a sequence of numbers arranged with a common difference. You know what is a common difference? A common difference is the difference between the second term and the first term of the sequence. In primary classes you have already learnt about the number patterns. The patterns you can see a rhythm in that sequence. That means it is well arranged with a common difference. And in class 10, we are talking about how to denote all these terms. You know the first term is denoted as A and the common difference is D. You know nth term of that series, An is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. But here today I am going to teach you about how to find the sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression. So Sn. This is denoted as Sn. Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus etc. up to n terms. And before introducing the sum of formula for finding the sum of nth terms of an arithmetic progression, I want to tell you a small story behind it. It happened long years ago when the teacher assigned a work to the students of primary classes in class 2 or 3. Because he wants to complete his own work. So the problem was like this. Children, you have to find the sum of 100 numbers from 1 to 100. The sum of 1 to 100. And the teacher thought they will take more time because even they are the small children. And quickly one boy answered, sir, the sum is 5050, 5050. And the teacher was shocked. And he asked, he thought he is simply saying this answer. But after the explanation of the boy, the teacher really surprised. That boy was none other than the famous mathematician called Frederick Gauss. This Gauss theory is very famous now. So you want to know how the small boy calculated the value of the sum of n terms of 100 terms of the sequence. So his method was like this. He arranged the numbers 1 to 100 in ascending order. 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus, etc. up to 100. And the same numbers he arranged in descending order also. So S equal to 100 plus 99 plus 98 plus etc. up to 1. Then he calculated the sum is same in all the terms. That is 101 here 99 plus 2, 101, here 98 plus 3, 101, plus etc. Last is 101. So 101 is repeating how many times? Right, 100 times. So he wrote 101 is repeating 100 times. But here we took two repeated sums. So here we want to take half of that. We want only these two sums are repeating. So take half of that. So this equal to 101 into 100 by 2 is 50. So 101 into 50 is equal to 5050. So this is a famous theory. It is known as Gauss theory. And the same, any sequence, if we want to find the sum of the first n natural numbers, we can use this formula. Then what is the formula here? This is already half is there. So we can write half. Okay. Then 100 terms are used here because here n is equal to 100. So we can put the value is n, half n into. Then this term is 101. How it is 101? Because the first term is a, that is 1. And the last term, that is an is 100. So here a and this is a. So 1 plus 100. So here we can apply a plus a. So the same formula, from the same question, we can develop this formula. That is half n into a plus an. A is the first term and an is the last term. And n is the total number of terms. So half n into a plus an if the first and the last terms are known. If the last and first terms are not unknown values, we can use the same formula as half n into, first term is a, last term we don't know, we have to find out. The last term we know the formula, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus, so 2 a's are coming, so half n into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So to find the sum of n terms, we want to know how many terms are there n, and we want to know the first value a. Then we want to know either the common difference or the last term. So using this formula, we can find the sum of n terms of the numbers. So just I want to introduce the story from all the concepts you are studying in secondary classes is based on the theory, the concept from primary classes. So I think you liked it. Thank you.